welcome to the range, okay? Today. And, we're going to shoot this gun right here. This is a Glock 26. So that's what we're going to shoot today. One of them. And then we're going to shoot a, 33, or some revolver, maybe a 40, maybe a 380, so we'll see. You just have to see, okay? Okay. So follow us to the range. Hey, Audrina. Audrina, quit! Hey, Jacka.
Touch me.
Picking your nose?
Yeah. I'm picking both of my nose.
Hey, yeah.
Don't go eat them. Hey, look, I picked my nose.
Hey, you're nasty. She's nasty. Please
Let's
don't
pay attention.
Ah!
Gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's I guess this is
Burnt your eyes.
Danica.
everyone I do right does me wrong. So every night I sing a song. I hate you.
I love you. I hate that I love you.
Alright, let's.
But I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you. I love you. I hate that I want you. You want me. You need her. And I'll never be.
Yes!
Hey, turn it up! Hey, we can make pranks with this. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? What are you doing, Audrina?
Watching videos.
Watching videos on what?
For you.
The Wii U. Gotta clean off the bed, don't I? Clean off the bed. I'm gonna smoke. But anyway. We just got done cleaning a little bit. But look what Audrina's doing. That's all she's doing. Sitting on the Wii U. We got the Transformer movie on. My wife's in there cooking supper. Supper time. So, Danica, look at that. I don't know what she's doing. She's acting like she's like a zombie or something. So, a tiger. That was a tiger. And that's about it. Let's go find Peyton. Peyton! Get this stuff up right here, look. Come here. Get your pants up. That's Peyton. I don't know what he's doing. He's watching videos too. On what, Peyton? What are you watching videos on? They're watching YouTube videos. What's them? Is them enchiladas? Look how good that is. Look. Look. Spit cheese in them. Cheese. Some cheese. Oh, some corn. Anyway. That's about it. That is about out to what we all doing. We ain't doing much of nothing. Where's my keys at? You got them? Give me my keys. No, give me my keys before you lose them. I have that to go to work. Bentley, the mailman's running. The mail's running. The mail's running, and it's show you what it is. Look, it is 6, almost 7 o'clock in there. And it finally run the mail. I'm disappointed in my mailman.
It's making Springtrap.
Making what?
Springtrap.
Hold that.
Okay.
You can film me. Film me in. So I put my coat on. Go outside. Go swim.
Look, I'm watching
Yeah.
videos trying to make
A YouTube video. Trying to make what?
Springtrap as nightmares.
Why didn't you watch videos on your tablet?
Because
It's dead.
no, it ain't.
It's not. Look at the birds. Hey, birdies. Hey, birdies. Birdies. Hello, birdies.
I want to see what's in it.
You see? You see it? Look. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. And we're going to put the Christmas tree up to my tree. Okay, so let's get a little bit later on we'll end this video. So that's a little bit of what we did today. It was probably choppy and beating around the bush, but I will do another video, a little one tomorrow before I leave to go to work. Okay? So, but anyway, as of right now, I can only post one video 1 week. It's probably going to be Saturday. So don't go nowhere on Saturday. I'll be posting some more videos. Probably about 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time. So we got the pajamas on, and we're going to bed. We're gonna go eat some supper. Cause it's late. Ain't it, Danica?
Nah.
It's late. So, see you later, bye.